Have you ever felt this? You understand English, you know many words, you even understand movies and YouTube videos. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. You start translating from Telugu, Hindi, or Tamil inside your head. You become nervous. And finally, you stay silent. If this feels personal, trust me, you are not alone because millions of Indians are facing the same problem. And today, I'm going to tell you some English fluency secrets that nobody usually tells you. Not school teachers, not grammar books, not even many spoken English courses. So, listen carefully. Secret 1. Fluency is not perfect grammar. Yes, you heard that correctly. Many Indians think, first I should master all grammar rules, then only I can speak English. That is the biggest mistake. Tell me honestly, did you learn your mother tongue by studying grammar first? No, you learnt by listening, repeating, and speaking daily. English is also a language, not a mathematics formula. Even native English speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. Confidence and communication are more important than perfection. Secret 2. Stop translating in your head. This is the second secret. Most Indian learners translate every sentence from their native language into English. For example, in Telugu or Hindi, you think first, then your brain searches for English words, then you try to speak. That process makes you slow and nervous. Fluent speakers do something different. They think directly in English. Start small. Instead of thinking, I am going to drink water, just think, drink water. Simple English thoughts train your brain faster. When you stop translating, your fluency improves naturally. Secret 3. Fluency comes from repetition. Here's another truth nobody tells you. You do not need thousands of vocabulary words to sound fluent. Most daily conversations use very simple English. The real secret is repetition. Use the same useful sentences again and again until they become automatic. For example, how was your day? I'll check and let you know. Can you please repeat that? I understand your point. Practice these daily. Fluency is not about difficult words, it is about speaking simple sentences smoothly and confidently. Secret 4. Listening is more important than studying. Many students spend years reading grammar books but never train their ears. And later they say, Sir, I can read English but I can't speak. Because speaking starts with listening. Listen to English every day. Podcasts, interviews, movies, YouTube videos. Even if you understand only 50% initially, continue listening. Your brain slowly copies pronunciation, sentence patterns, and speaking rhythm. That's exactly how children learn language naturally. Secret 5. Fear is the real problem. Now let's talk about the biggest enemy, fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of people laughing. Many talented students stay silent just because they are scared. But remember this, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody was born speaking perfect English. Mistakes are not proof of failure, mistakes are proof that you are learning. So, stop waiting for perfect English. Start speaking with imperfect English. That is how fluency begins. Listen, English is not a measure of intelligence. It is just a skill, and every skill can be learnt with practice. Don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Even 10 minutes of daily English speaking practice can completely change your confidence within months. One day, the same person who was afraid to speak English will speak confidently in interviews, offices, and public stages. Maybe that person is you. So start today. Speak more, fear less, and trust the process. Because fluency is not magic, it is daily practice. If you enjoyed this podcast, share it with someone who is struggling to speak English. And remember, your voice matters even if your English is not perfect.